Everyone wants to improve on-time delivery, right? But here's the truth no one talks about. Your clear-to-build process predicts your OTD before your schedule ever does. If CTB is wrong, unstable, or ignored, your delivery performance is already decided. Let me show you why. Most companies think OTD problems start on the shop floor. They don't. They start the moment your CTB says yes to a build that should have been no. CTB is the earliest and most honest indicator of what you actually can build and what shouldn't be on the schedule. It indicates which shortages will hit you days or weeks from now and where your flow will collapse long before production feels it. When CTB is accurate, your schedule becomes predictable. When CTB is wrong, everything else becomes firefighting. Bad CTB isn't a system issue, it's a process issue. Here's what breaks it. First, incomplete bill of materials truth. If sub-assemblies aren't CTB, your finished goods CTB becomes a lie. Second, lead times aren't real. If suppliers don't deliver to the planned lead time, CTB is forecasting ghosts. Third, work orders are released just to see shortages. This destroys flow and makes CTB irrelevant. And fourth, no daily discipline. CTB must be updated, actioned, and trusted every single day. When these four fail, CTB lies and OTD collapses right behind it. High-performing planning teams don't use CTB as a report, they use it as the law of the land. Here's what happens when CTB is trusted. Flow stabilizes, WIP drops, and schedule volatility disappears. Shortages stop shocking the system, and the shop floor works cleaner. And OTD rises naturally, without heroics. You don't need more expediting. You need CTB to drive what hits the schedule and what doesn't. There's one rule I teach every organization. If it's not CTB, it doesn't get scheduled. If it's not CTB, it doesn't get released. If it's not CTB, it doesn't hit the shop floor. The moment you make that shift, your OTD stops being a reactive metric and becomes a predictable output of a healthy planning system. I'm Michelle, your SIOP and supply chain strategist with Streamline Consulting Group. Hit the subscribe button for more Streamline insights, and let's fix the flow and grow your business.